Hi traders, this is Kiska and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new, please subscribe to my channel to get the latest updates when there are upcoming videos where I will be sharing with you my trading reviews on cryptocurrencies, gold, and forex. If you like my content and if this could be of value to you, smash the like button. So let's discuss the trade that I took yesterday. You're looking at my charts for Bitcoin USD under 15-minute time frame. So as you can see that currently the markets is in uptrend. Yesterday it broke out from this range that it formed since its breakout. So from this high, which is at 48,000, this was the high, and the range started to form here. And it was just yesterday that it was broken, and this was my opportunity for me to buy. So at this point, this is the entry where I took my trades for Bitcoin. And then I've already secured partial profit when it reached 48,000, because as you can see, currently the market is reacting at that level. So when it reached this level the second time, that's the time that I have secured partial profits for my account. And then just later on, I will just wait whether the price will continue to break out to the upside, or it will now start to retrace and test again the 45,000 level. So as we can see that in the previous range, its lowest point, it has reached at least 44,000, which is within the zone of my anticipated area where the price could potentially be held by the markets, which is around 45,000. So this is where the price has started to uh, stop from retracing, and it proceeded to what it has been doing to the upside. But right now, um, yesterday it just reached its high again that was formed in February 9, so it tested again. So we will just wait whether this could potentially break out from at this point, and then if that will happen, it will reach up to 50,000, because that is the most logical point where the price would again be reacting, because that is a round number. So if you're going to look at the area where I entered, and I use also my trading indicator, which is Trend Pro, as my tool. So I waited for the breakout from this range, and then in confluence with the signal, or from the filter that I'm currently using, which is Trend. Okay. So if ever that it will go to the upside, I will be taking my profits again, partial profits again when it reaches 50,000. And if it continuously break out to the upside, then it will go further up to 55,000 if that would happen. So that was my analysis for that. Okay, so let's look at the charts for USDA. Okay, so this was the triangle that has been formed. So when price went out of this channel, so in my previous review, I said that the market could potentially stop at 104.00. As you can see that the market has stopped at 104,400. as evidenced by, so the reason why I already took this trade in the direction of uptrend, it's because as you can see that this has been the break that I've been waiting for. And since my at this point my trend pro has not yet given me a signal to enter, so I wasn't able to enter at this point right away. And as you will notice that the price has entered triangle, and I waited for the breakout of that triangle. So it broke out, then I waited for the retest. So that's the time that I took my trade. So I took my trade at around here when there is a confluence with the trend pro indicator, which has finally given me a trend to the upside. So what will happen is if it will continuously break out to the upside, I'm expecting that the price will reach at least at this level, because this was the high that it will definitely go back to, and it could potentially attract sellers at this point. So let's look at it. Why? Because in the past, as you can see, that the price has reacted to this area, and also when the price reached at this point, when it reached last February 8th, it also gave that same reaction. So therefore, my plan would be, I will be taking my partial profits when it reaches this level, and then the remaining, I will just wait until it it reaches the next area of resistance. So the next area of resistance would be, let's check, here. So it's around 107.00. So this is where I would be expecting the price to be reacting again. Okay. So that's it for today. You will want to trade with cryptocurrencies 24/7, and also forex with tight spreads and minimum commissions. You could look at my description below, so you could subscribe and open an account with my current broker, which is RoboForex. And also, I should see you again next time. And let me know what would be the currency pairs that you would want me to look at, so that I will be able to review that for you. Okay? See you again.